Nobody told me he had a daughter.
Come here. What's your name?
I'm Mary Lennox. What's your name?
I'm Colleen Craven.
Our mothers were sisters, twins.
Twin? Nobody told me she had a twin.
Why were you crying?
I can't sleep. Oh, my pillows were coming, Mary.
What?
My pillows. My covers got twisted.
Well, I don't know what to do about it. I'll go get Martha or Mrs. Medlock.
No.
Why not?
Medlock wouldn't allow you to be. He'd be afraid you got to be maybe more.
Do I? I'll go.
Stop. Stay here. How old are you?
10.
We're the same age. What's your mother like?
She's dead.
Mine's dead too. See that cord? Pull it. That's my mother. My father never wants to see me because I don't look anything like her. But you look like her.
Why do you keep a curtain over her?
She smiles too much.
Smiles too much? How can anybody smile too much?
Sometimes I hate her. She died when I was born.
I thought she died in her garden.
Garden? What garden?
Just a garden. There are so many of them here.
Are there?
Of course. Don't you go outside?
Never.
What's wrong with you?
I'm going to die.
From what?
Everything. I spent my whole life in this bed.
You don't know how to walk.
You are real. My dreams are so real sometimes.
Shall I pinch you to prove it?
Ow!